Flexible sub-assembly. Default rigid sub-assembly can be defined as the flexible sub-assembly. Designers can easily verify the motion of the whole assembly. This is an excavator assembly with several flexible sub-assemblies. Now you can drag any part to verify the motion. First, let's check out this tie rod assembly. It contains two components. The rod can be moved along the sleeve. Back to parent assembly. The sub-assembly can be moved as a group, since the default status of sub-assembly is rigid, but the rod component can't be moved individually. Select the sub-assembly, then make it flexible. The icon is changed. Now the rod component can be moved. Go to upper level assembly. This arm sub-assembly also is rigid as a group by default. Make it a flexible sub-assembly. Then the individual component can be dragged or rotated. So the concentric constraint can be added between the rod component and another sub-assembly. Now the assembly can move as desired. For other sub-assemblies, we could make them flexible and add the suitable constraints between them as required. This is the final well-defined assembly. It contains several flexible sub-assemblies and has a very clear assembly structure. Designers can drag any component to verify the motion of the whole assembly. Flexible sub-assembly makes assembly design more reasonable and more flexible.